Today we're gonna see how we can upscale images using Canva. These are some images my clients sent me. They are using these product images in their website. These images are not in good resolution. They are small size and they doesn't look more clear or high quality. My task is to increase the resolution to make it look more clear. Okay, to do this I am using Canva. Using Canva free account you can also do it. You don't need a pro account. So in order to do that, first you need to add the images. Let's say I am adding these images. Okay, let me add these images. Let me set images background. Okay, this is the image but it doesn't look good. We need to upscale this. To do this you go to edit. So this is the Canva newer version I am using. In the older version you might see this option in the left hand side. For the newer version you will see this image edit option over here. You go to edit and here you will go to apps, and in apps you will see an option called image upscaler. Okay, you just need to click that. Okay, once you click, then the image will automatically appear here. It will ask you upscale amount. You want to increase the image size to 2x, 3x, 4x, up to 80x Canva supports. So for the website purpose I think 2x is good. Let's see how does that work. I am selecting 2x and clicking on upscale. It will take few seconds. Okay, now it's done. Before and after. Let me replace it. First we will see how does it look. This looks like this. Once I replace this, see, wow, this looks really very clear and really very good. Okay, cool, it's been done. Then we can download this. Let me do another one. Okay, let me do another one. This is the another image. I need to upscale this. Let's select this image, then go to edit, then go to apps and image upscaler. Okay, this is the previous one is showing. Let me go back. Now this one will show here. 2x is fine. Upscale image, you will see this image is blur here. After upscaling, let's see. Okay, replace this image. See, this looks very clear and Canva really did a very good job. It's really awesome. It's a very good tool. So you can also use Canva for free to upscale all your images. Thank you.